Alright guys, sun's going down. It's a race every day. Try to get something done before it gets totally dark. I figure we'll try to do these teeth real quick. So I kind of got one on, but the pin got messed up. So I'll show you guys. I've got an idea how to do it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if I can save that one. Probably not. Doesn't look like it. Nope. The little thing's all messed up. Then you're left with the pin without the little rubber thing. So there's nothing on the internet about these. What are you guys looking at? Oh, you're looking at. Look like you're looking over, I don't know, somewhere else. So here's the pin. The taper goes like so. There's a little notch right here for this thing to go in, but you probably can't see. Let's show you. See how much that sticks out? So we're gonna try to get that on there. See if I can get you guys in a good spot. What's that look like? Perfect. So my first thought was maybe squeeze it with something like this. I can get it to collapse down enough. Maybe a needle nose so I can see what I'm doing. That was my other thought. It's a hard plastic and then it's squishy on the inside. Man, I wish somebody had a video on how to put these in. See how that looks? It's square. It needs to be rounded so it can actually go into the deal there. These things kind of suck. Crazy Russians. I guess it's a Russian design pin. It's right there. I just don't want to mess up another pin. Alright, let's knock another one of these out and we'll see. That's not going to be good. I was going to try to knock that out and see how it goes in. I mean, maybe it goes in from the bottom, but I really don't think so. There's no notch on the bottom. The bottom's just square. This up here has this notch at least, like it's supposed to funnel it in. Huh. I don't know, horrible design. Horrible design. Doesn't help that I'm trying to race the sun going down. Heck, I can almost just squeeze it, put it in by hand like that. But I mean, it's going. Gonna mess that pin up. Dang it. Well guys, sorry. I'm not making a very good video here. I'm not making a very good video. These pins are horrible. I don't like this design. Yeah, the bottom hole is just square. It's Molly. Molly the donkey. I don't know if you can hear her over there, but she's over there hee-hawing. Carrying on. Well, and you have to have that on to put this in. Well, this has turned out to be a horrible video. Sorry. I kind of thought that would work, so hopefully I'm not just getting stuck on repeat here. Doing so good. Russian craziness. These are horrible. Did I say that already? Maybe I said that already. I don't get it. Because it's got to go like that. It has to go like that. It's got the notch. Each one of these has a notch like that, so it's not like it's worn. Well, alright, I'm going to keep fighting it. So I'm not going to have you guys sit here and watch my suffering. Okay, these very well may come off. I ordered more pins than what I needed. So I'll have extra pins. If we start having pins come out of them, they're getting welded on. I mean, I'm not in love with the bucket, so I'm not worried about that. The only way I can get these things in is I kind of go like so, kind of get it started, and then squeeze that real good, and ow, that hurt. A sharp hit. So, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but that's the only way I got them to go. So, I'll show you two more here. And the bad thing is look, I would have got a different tooth. I mean, I'm not gaining a whole lot. I don't know if you guys can see those, but I'm not gaining a lot by replacing the teeth. I would have, I mean, all the ones that I seen, they were pretty wide. I would have got the wide teeth if I knew they were that narrow. So, really, I'm not gaining a whole lot in this venture here. There's an arrow down and this little tapered piece, and it goes like that from as far as I can tell. I did pull the other pins out and kind of paid attention on how they came out. I may have to move you guys because now I'm doing it different than what I was, and now it's not working. It's probably loud, but sorry. That one kind of curled the little plastic piece, but part of it's up here. But the tooth is on, like I said. If they start coming off, I'm just gonna weld this pin. I'll weld it there, that way if somebody wants to take it right off with a grinder or something, they could. But I would say, if you see a bucket with these kind of teeth on it, I'd probably run. This bucket, all it's going to be used for is tear outs and stuff like that. After I get my 36, it's a 30-inch bucket. I wasn't really planning on keeping it very long. I may not keep it at all now. I mean, somebody else will have a bucket with brand new teeth on it, and they can love it. I don't care. Dang it. That's gonna mess that pin up. These are horrible. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I have a feeling I'm gonna lose these teeth. I mean, maybe not. Maybe if dirt gums up in there. But anyways, well, hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight on what kind of teeth not to get. This is a tag bucket, I believe. It's 5-star equipment. Is who sold the excavator, and they've got their little symbol on the side, but it's kind of where tag puts it. If you look at a tag bucket, that looks like a tag bucket. I don't know, it might be somebody else's, but anyways, those are, well, the replacements are Romax, but these are a MTG brand. It seems like it's a Russian brand. The patent just ran out. People aren't remaking them yet. Well, Romac is remaking them. Or they're making them already. I guess Romac sells a lot of teeth. I didn't know anything about them, but I got these at Tracker Truck, and I got them literally in 2 days. So thank you guys at Track or Truck. But man, I wish I would have known. There wasn't a lot of information out there. I would have got the flare teeth instead of those, because literally I thought the teeth were wore out. Look, I mean, you know, they are to a point. You know, I'm gaining a little bit there, but not enough. I would have liked to have a little wider tooth. Anyways, but they are MGTs, and this is a MG8 U-tooth is the regular dirt tooth, and I don't remember what all the other ones are. You'd have to look it up, but MG8 is your size. So MGT teeth come on Kubota KX80s. They have a MG10 tooth, so the shank is bigger. Couldn't get them. Kubota sells them direct to the dealers. So if you have a Kubota, you have a KX080 and you have a Kubota bucket, they have MGT teeth on it, and they are a MG10 size. So anyways, and for some reason these 8s are just kind of an oddball. You would have thought that a bucket this size for a 75 or an 85 machine would have the MG10 teeth on it, which it's a bigger tooth. You know, the dirt tooth is about that big. It's substantial. It's something that I would probably put on this bucket. Like I said, the bucket's probably not meant to be around here. I may use it for tear outs and stuff. Probably not. I'm probably just going to get rid of it, and I'll get a 36-inch bucket, and then I'll get maybe another 30, but get a good bucket with decent teeth adapters. Anyways, it's getting dark. You're probably getting to the point where you can't see me. We are going to work on the excavator tomorrow. Probably shouldn't call it the excavator because I have two, but I think I'm gonna call it Little John. A viewer suggested Big John, and I like that. I definitely like that. I actually called it Big John a couple times, but to me, I don't know. I know people are gonna be like, well, that's not a big excavator, and it's really not a big excavator. It's big to me, but I think it'd be kind of funny, being the biggest thing I have, we're calling it Little John. So thanks, I don't remember what his name was, I'm sorry. So you got me real close to naming it, or well, you got me there. But it's gonna be Little John instead of Big John. So I had a couple people suggest some stuff. Nothing really struck a chord with me, but you know, when he said Big John, I'm like, oh, I didn't think about that. That's kind of funny. Anyway, so this is gonna be Little John.